Put a kitchen scrubber on a broom. This trick is a game changer. With just a few strokes, you can easily scrub tiles on walls or floors. Stubborn dirt, soap scum, and lime scale disappear, and you no longer have to bend or kneel. Cleaning becomes faster, easier, and so much more convenient. Put a sock on your broom and discover a brilliant trick that will save you time and money. All you need is a regular broom and a sock that fits over its head. Now grab your favorite fabric softener. It has a surprising use. Pour a little onto the sock and spread it evenly on both sides. This simple hack will turn your broom into a powerful cleaning tool. Run it over your carpet, and you'll see how effectively it picks up dust, pet hair, and other small debris. Your carpet will be cleaner, fresher, and won't require expensive cleaning. The sock also works great on walls, as its soft texture easily removes dust and cobwebs from hard-to-reach places. A broom with a fabric softener sock is also perfect for mopping floors, especially in tight corners. Plus, fabric softener has anti-static properties, so dust settles more slowly. This method is simple, effective, and budget-friendly. No need for costly carpet cleaning, expensive detergents, or new accessories. Just a sock, a broom, and a little fabric softener. A homemade way to clean your shower that removes limescale like an expensive store-bought cleaner. I've been using it for over 30 years. Start with dish soap, something everyone has at home. It easily breaks down grease, grime, and soap residue. Measure about 10 fluid ounces of dish soap and pour it into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. It contains gentle but effective microabrasives that help remove buildup and add shine. Next, pour in about 14 fluid ounces of vinegar. Vinegar works as a natural descaler, dissolving limescale, removing streaks, and restoring a smooth finish. To dilute the mixture, add 1 cup of water. Another key ingredient is baking soda. It boosts the cleaning power and helps tackle even stubborn dirt. Pour the mixture onto the shower tray and tiles, scrub thoroughly with a broom to reach every corner, then remove the excess liquid and dry the surfaces. The result is a sparkling clean shower with limescale gone, just like after using an expensive product. This mixture also works well for cleaning the toilet. Simple and effective. Add salt to the fabric softener and create a mixture that will solve many problems in your home. It's a simple trick worth trying. Start with a tall container, preferably from a drink, and pour in the fabric softener. It has softening properties, which help the other ingredients mix easily. Add 2 scoops of any liquid, then pour in 300 milliliters of room temperature water. The water will help the ingredients combine well. The next ingredient is vinegar. 300 milliliters of vinegar will help dissolve limescale, has antibacterial properties, and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Finally, add a tablespoon of salt, which acts as a natural abrasive, helping to remove tough stains. Mix everything thoroughly until the salt dissolves. Pour the finished mixture into an empty dispenser bottle for easy application. This combination works wonderfully for cleaning various surfaces in your home, from the sink and countertops to the toilet. Just a little bit of the solution and a sponge is enough to achieve amazing cleanliness. You'll see that you don't need expensive chemicals to quickly and effectively remove dirt. Put a pair of tights over your vacuum hose. This trick solves a problem you didn't even know you had. Normally, a vacuum cleaner is used for cleaning floors and carpets, but with an old pair of tights, you can use it in a whole new way. Detach the hose from the vacuum tube. You'll only need the flexible part. Insert the tights into the hose, but not completely. Fold the edge over the outside of the hose and secure it with a rubber band. This creates a makeshift filter that traps small objects inside the tights. This trick is perfect when you accidentally spill tiny items like beads, buttons, or jewelry. No need to pick them up by hand. Just turn on the vacuum and collect everything without worrying that the items will disappear into the dust bag. The tights will catch them in one place, making them easy to recover. No need for extra tools or gadgets. It's a quick, clever solution for unexpected moments. Definitely worth remembering. This breaks down toilet limescale better than a hammer. Cleaning your toilet has never been this easy. This powder tackles grime much faster than anything else. The result is worth it, so watch closely. Just gather a few powdery products, and the buildup will vanish. Start with laundry detergent. It dissolves grease, softens deposits, and cleans effectively. Sprinkle it generously over the toilet bowl. Next, add baking soda. It's a cleaning hero. It disinfects, whitens, and neutralizes odors. It's perfect for fighting dirt and scale. Now bring in some toothpaste. Its polishing particles help remove buildup and restore shine. Spread the paste around the inside of the bowl. Add some dish soap too. It breaks down grime and helps loosen the lime scale. Let everything sit for about 15 minutes so the ingredients can work their magic. Then grab a brush and scrub. The lime scale lifts off effortlessly, and the dirt falls away on its own. Flush, and that's it. A sparkling, fresh, and fragrant toilet, without harsh chemicals or hard scrubbing. The hidden function of wipes that hotel housekeepers use. All you need to do is take denatured alcohol and pour it into the wet wipe container. Denatured alcohol disinfects, removes bacteria, and dissolves grease and residues. Now, just wipe down the toilet frames, and your toilet will not only be clean but also thoroughly disinfected. It's a simple yet effective way to clean your bathroom hygienically and efficiently. Mix everything together and pour it into a bucket. You'll quickly see that your floor has never looked this clean. No streaks, no dirt, and the shine lasts. Start with a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt is great for removing stains and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of baking soda, which disinfects and cleans all kinds of surfaces, not just in the kitchen. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap. It easily cuts through grease and grime. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. It degreases, shines, and has antibacterial properties. Now add 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. It kills bacteria and fungi, making it a key ingredient in this mix. Stir everything well. The mixture may fizz a little. That's normal. Pour in about 4 cups of warm water and mix thoroughly. Then add another 4 cups to make the cleaner ready to use. Transfer the solution to a mop bucket. But there's one final touch. Squeeze in the juice of a lemon. It will leave your floor smelling fresh. Dip your mop, wring it out, and clean your floors as usual. The result? Shiny, spotless floors free from bacteria and dust mites. This dissolves limescale in just 1 minute. It will shine like new for months, and even hard water won't leave a trace. Dried limescale buildup not only looks bad, but it can also block water flow and damage your fixtures. That's why it's important to act as soon as you notice the first signs of buildup. One of the most effective solutions is a homemade paste made from 2 ingredients everyone has at home. Add 1 cup of laundry detergent to a bowl. Laundry detergent breaks down grease and grime, softens water, has mild whitening properties, and foams well, making it perfect for cleaning many surfaces. Pour in half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar helps soften and dissolve the buildup. Mix until you get a thick paste. Apply it to the affected area, spread evenly, and leave it for a few minutes. Then wipe with a damp cloth. The residue disappears, and the faucet looks brand new. The same trick works on a shower head or glass doors. If you don't have detergent, you can also use plain vinegar. Just fill a plastic bag with it, tie it around the faucet with a rubber band, and after 30 minutes the lime scale softens and peels off easily.